Daler-Rowney's journey began over 240 years ago in London with artisans Richard and Thomas Rowney. Since then, Daler-Rowney partnered with creative legends like Turner, Benjamin Green, Beatrix Potter, Peter Blake, and many more, along with contemporary artists such as Vinin Obi, Chris Valentine, Pepe Gaka, Dan Kitchener, Kerry Lemon, Emily Gilbanks, Jenny Muncaster, Jen Dixon, and me, Stefan Smith, to handcraft materials empowering all of us. Color is our DNA. Today, our paints are expertly handcrafted by artisans in the United Kingdom. But we don't stop there. We have learned continuously through the years and also manufacture brushes, papers, and canvases for every artist at every level. Our vision for tomorrow: empowering everybody to get creative and raise their artistic voice, regardless of their skill level. Stand out, be bold, and paint loud.